Hi everybody, it's Kevin Piqua here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have featured stock number 28221T. This is a 2018 Ram 1500 Crew Cab featured in maximum steel metallic. Very pretty color. Got a nice metallic flake to it. Maximum steel metallic. This features the 5.7 liter Hemi V8 engine. This is a Bighorn edition. This of course also has the automatic transmission. Again, this is a Bighorn edition. Has a deluxe cloth interior. These all have the rear seat that folds up out of your way. Of course, these all have the storage compartments on either side. We can cheat a little bit here. Look at the window sticker. This one features the heated front seats. Also has a heated steering wheel. Of course, these all come with remote keyless entry. And this one, being a Bighorn, also has remote start, which is standard on a Bighorn. This also has the chrome body side molding, as you can see on the sides here. Again, a very pretty truck. Maximum steel metallic. This also has the tow package, class 4 reese hitch, along with the 4 and a 7-pin wiring, so you can tow from day one. Also has the rear backup camera. Again, this is the Bighorn. Very pretty truck. Very pretty color. Of course, this one's also going to have the mirrors, which will fold in out of the way, which is nice for tight garages. Power locks, power mirrors, power windows, power seat, tilt steering. Has your cruise control, gear shifter up and down, all your voice control and all your Bluetooth controls are right here. Of course, again, this is full drive. There's all your full drive settings. This also has the power sliding window. Again, this is stock number 28221T, a 2018 Dodge Ram Bighorn Crew Cab 4x4 with a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi, featured in maximum steel metallic. If you have any questions on this beautiful crew cab pickup truck or on any beautiful vehicle we have on the lot or online, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188. Again, my name is Kevin Piqua from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. As always, thanks for the opportunity and have a beautiful day.